Avoid these 8 common mistakes to keep your aloe vera plants thriving. Aloe vera, known for its medicinal properties and striking appearance, is a favorite among plant enthusiasts. While aloe vera plants are relatively low maintenance, they guarantee entirely foolproof. Many people unknowingly make mistakes that can hinder their aloe vera's growth and health. To help you keep your aloe vera thriving, here are the 8 most common mistakes to avoid. 1. Overwatering, the silent plant killer. Overwatering is perhaps the most common mistake made by aloe vera owners. Aloe vera plants are succulents, meaning they store water in their leaves and stems. Too much water can lead to root rot, which is often fatal for the plant. How to avoid water your aloe vera sparingly. A general rule is to water only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry. Ensure that the pot has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. In winter, reduce watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. 2. Using the wrong soil mix. Aloe vera plants require well-draining soil to thrive. Using regular garden soil or a potting mix that retains moisture can suffocate the roots and lead to rot. How to avoid. Use a cactus or succulent-specific potting mix. You can also create your own by mixing equal parts of potting soil, sand and perlite. Avoid using heavy clay-based soils that retain water. 3. Insufficient sunlight. Aloe vera plants need plenty of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. Placing them in low light conditions can result in weak, leggy growth and pale leaves. How to avoid. Place your aloe vera in a spot where it can receive at least 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight daily. If growing indoors, a south or west-facing window is ideal. During winter, consider supplementing with a grow light if natural light is limited. For incorrect pot size. The size of the pot you use can significantly impact your aloe vera's health. A pot that is too large or too small can cause issues with water retention and root growth. How to avoid. Choose a pot that is about the same size as the root ball of your plant. Avoid using overly large pots, as they can retain excess moisture, leading to root rot. Repot your aloe vera when it outgrows its current pot, typically every 2 to 3 years. 5. Neglecting to trim damaged leaves. Damaged or diseased leaves can sap energy from the healthy parts of your aloe vera plant. Leaving these leaves unchecked can lead to slower growth and a less attractive plant. How to avoid. Regularly inspect your plant for damage or discolored leaves. Use a sharp sterilized knife or scissors to trim away any affected parts. Dispose of the trimmed leaves properly to avoid spreading any potential diseases. 6. Not fertilizing at all. While aloe vera plants don't require heavy feeding, they do benefit from occasional fertilization. Neglecting to fertilize can result in slower growth and less vibrant foliage. How to avoid. Feed your aloe vera with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. Fertilize once every 2 to 3 months during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing during the winter months when the plant is dormant. 7. Exposing the plant to extreme temperatures. Aloe vera plants are sensitive to temperature extremes. Exposure to cold drafts, frost, or excessive heat can cause serious damage. How to avoid keep your aloe vera in a temperature range of 55 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 to 27 degrees Celsius. If you live in a region with cold winters, bring the plant indoors before temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plant near heaters, air conditioners, or drafty windows. 8. Ignoring pests and diseases. While aloe vera is relatively resistant to pests and diseases, it's not entirely immune. Common issues include aphids, mealybugs, and fungal infections. How to avoid. Regularly inspect your plant for signs of pests, such as small insects or sticky residue on the leaves. Treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Ensure proper air circulation around your plant to prevent fungal issues. Conclusion. Keeping your aloe vera plant thriving is easier than you might think once you know what to avoid. By steering clear of these 8 common mistakes, you can enjoy a healthy, vibrant aloe vera that continues to grow and prosper. Remember, proper care and attention will reward you with a plant that not only looks beautiful, but also offers a range of benefits, from soothing sunburns to purify the air in your home. Happy gardening!